Well, hey gang, we're here with our 2010 Mercedes E-Class, and we have got a couple of messages on the dash that we're going to try and clear. So the first one we've got is the change key batteries warning. And even though we've changed the battery, it's still there. So we somehow need to clear that. And then our other message is this service overdue message. The car has been serviced, but it just wasn't reset, so we can reset that as well. But before we go any further, I will show you how to change the battery. It is very simple in this generation of key. All you have to do is take the manual key out. That's that little slide button there. Take the key out, flip it around, and put it back in. And there's a little tab for this black plastic cover inside there. And that just pops that open. Like that. You can see that tab there now. That gets you to the battery, and then you might need a screwdriver or a pen or a big fingernail, and you can just pull that battery out. Easy peasy. It's a CR2025. This one is brand new, so I'm going to put it back in. Pop the cover back on, just like that, and then pop your manual key back in. Now the problem is, even though we have a brand new battery in that key, if we try and start the car, it still tells us we need to change the batteries. I've looked online and there's a whole bunch of different tips on how to get that message to clear. Some say you've got to hold multiple buttons together. Some say you need to go into the service settings in the menu. Some say you need to pop the manual key and open or lock and unlock the door from outside. But I tried all of those and none of them worked, and I didn't find this instruction anywhere, but I stumbled across this, and this worked for me with my other key. So let's see if it works with this one as well. So with the car off, we're going to pop out our push to start button. Oh, there we go. Got that one out. So you just got to get that out, if you haven't done it before, you've just got to get 2 points of contact behind the button and leverage it out. Now that we've done that, I don't know if I need to do this, but this is what I did last time, so I'm going to do it again. We're going to get out of the car, lock it, and then start from scratch. Unlock, get in, and then we're going to insert the key into the manual start and turn it on, but not start the car. So accessories on, ignition on, but stop there, don't start the car. Out we go. Lock the car. Unlock the car. It says change key batteries. Put the key in. Go to manual start. Ignition on. But now, turn that off. Take it out. Then pop your button back in. Open the door. Start from scratch. Foot on the brake, press the button, and off we go. No warning lights. So now let's fix the service overdue message that you can see here. It's very easy to do, and with the car off, the first step is to get it into key position 1. So if you have your manual keys set up, that's 1 click, and that's just accessories. So you've got first click or first position is accessories, second click or second position is ignition, and then 1 more click will start the car. So you can do that with your key, or you can do it with your push button. So 1 click, that is our accessories. And then what we want to do is make sure that the trip is showing. You need 2 hands. You're going to press and hold the call button and then press and hold OK at the same time. If you do them the other way around, it won't work, and if you do them together, you might accidentally press OK first. So call and OK in about 5 seconds. You'll get the menu up. And then using our scroll buttons, we're going to go down to Assist Plus, Full Service, and then Confirm Full Service. And then the oil grade for the standard is the 229.5. Service carried out, yes. And are we confirming because we can't go back? Yes. And now that should be reset. So now we can back out of there, back to the trip, open the door to reset everything, pretend we're starting from scratch, and off we go. No service warning. So there we go, we are now message free again. Happy days.